Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to fix your audio in the NVIDIA Shadow Player, like GeForce Experience thing, to record and stream. And sometimes like your mic audio will show up, but your game audio won't. So today I'm just going to show you guys a very quick video on how to fix that. And before we do get in this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, because there's like a shit ton of people that aren't subscribed to my channel. So make sure to do that right now. And yeah, this is a very short video, so let's just get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is press Alt and Z, and it should show up. And as you can see, I'm streaming right now. But basically, you're just gonna go into your settings tab right here, and you're gonna go down to audio. And as you can see, like I'm like using it right now, like I'm streaming and recording, so this doesn't show up. But basically, it should say use two different things or something like that, like two different audio sources. And basically, you're gonna want to use use a single track. So as soon as you click that, you can go back and it will literally fix that issue. Like that's what all this video was. It's like probably like a minute long video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, hopefully this like worked for you, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.